Hello everyone! Are you looking for the best Victorinox watches for men? Our criteria for ranking include features, style, value, and popularity. We've included a wide variety of Victorinox models to help you find the best watch for your needs. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Number 7. Victorinox Swiss Army Watch. Distinguished look. The stainless steel bracelet not only gives this watch a classic, sophisticated look, but is also highly resilient. Dive deeper. Take on the day fearlessly on hikes, in the pool, or diving in the ocean. The I.N.O.X is equipped to go down to depths of 200 meters, making this diving watch the ultimate explorer. Item shape: round. Dial window material type: anti-reflective sapphire. Display type: analog. Fold over clasp. Case material: stainless steel. Case diameter: 43 millimeters. Case thickness: 13.58 millimeters. Number 6. Victorinox FieldForce Sport GMT. Dial window material type: sapphire. Display type: analog. Buckle clasp. Case material: stainless steel. Case diameter: 42 millimeters. Band material: genuine rubber. Band width: 0.8 inches. Band color: orange. Dial color: black. Movement: Swiss quartz. Water resistant depth: 330 feet. Number 5. I.N.O.X. Titanium by Victorinox Swiss Army. A smooth rubber strap wraps your wrist in soft comfort for a perfect fit, day or night. Etched lines in the band give a chain-link appearance, making this watch suitable for work, the weekend, and a night out. Titanium watch case crafted from sandblasted titanium for a smooth, matte finish. Lightweight and hypoallergenic, this watch is functionable and fashionable with a blue second hand to match the strap. Dial color: gray. Bezel material: titanium. Bezel function: stationary. Calendar: date. Item weight: 3.2 ounces. Movement: Swiss quartz. Water resistant depth: 660 feet. Number 4. Swiss Army 241845. Item shape: round. Dial window material type: scratch resistant sapphire. Display type: analog. Tang buckle clasp. Case material: 45 millimeters. Case diameter: 45 millimeters. Case thickness: 14 millimeters. Band material: textile. Band width: 22 millimeters. Band color: orange. Dial color: black. Bezel material: stainless steel. Calendar: date. Special features: date, hour, minute, second. Number 3. Victorinox Swiss Army. Comfortable wear. Stainless steel bracelet or rubber strap with etched lines. Dependable Swiss quality. High quality materials are carefully crafted. Band width: 23 millimeters. Band color: blue. Dial color: blue. Bezel material: stainless steel. Bezel function: unidirectional. Calendar: date. Special features: luminous. Item weight: 4.4 ounces. Movement: Swiss quartz. Water resistant depth: 660 feet. Number 2. Victorinox Night Vision. Stainless steel case with a stainless steel bracelet. Fixed stainless steel bezel. Black dial with luminous hands and index hour markers. Arabic numerals mark the 3, 9, and 12 o'clock positions. 24-hour markings. Minute markings around the outer rim. Dial type, analog. Luminescent hands and markers. Date display at the 6 o'clock position. Locator light. Quartz movement. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Screw-down crown. Solid case back. Case diameter 42 millimeters. Round case shape. Band width 21 millimeters. Band length 7.75 inches. Deployment clasp. Water resistant at 50 meters. Number 1. Victorinox V241957 watch. Display, analog. Functions, date, 3 hands. Movement, quartz. Crown, thread. Water resistance, 20 bar. Case material, titanium. Strap, resin. Glass, sapphire. Dial color, black, yellow, green. Color needles, yellow, black. Bracelet color, black, green, yellow. Diameter without crown, 43 millimeters. Thickness, 13.5 millimeters.